Hello, how are you, my beautiful? I'm back again with a new video and a new experience. This time, I will try my favorite skin cleanser and my experience with each of these cleansers before you. What is the best skin cleanser and how do you choose the right cleanser for you? This question is one of the most common questions among those interested in skincare, considering that lotion is the main element in the skin and face care routine. However, although this element is very important for skincare, some people choose it incorrectly, which negatively affects the entire routine and may harm the skin. It is not difficult, you just have to know your skin type well to make a good and correct choice. There is dry skin, oily skin, mixed skin, and sensitive skin, and there is a combination. Some of them have dry and sensitive skin, or oily and sensitive skin, or mixed, oily and sensitive skin. There are types, and this requires easy experience and study to know what your skin is like. First, I will give you the traditional method to find out your skin type, and then I will give you another method. The traditional method is to take any type of clean soap we have, I say a bar of soap, not lotion. We wet the face with water, then put the soap on the face, leave it for just a little, and wash it well by hand, then rinse the face well from the soap and dry it with a paper towel, Kleenex toilet paper. We leave the face to dry for a period of up to perhaps 30 minutes without applying any moisturizer because we will notice the skin type. This is how I will tell you how. If you notice that your skin after it dries is very tight, as if it is cracked, and sometimes there are those who notice that their skin has peels, and you will notice that well, because your skin is dry to very dry. But if you notice that your face has become shiny, as if you applied oil, the pores become well visible, then your skin, my dear, is oily skin. And if you notice that there are certain areas which are the forehead, the chin, meaning the bottom of the lips, the ways of the cheeks, or the middle of the cheeks, in a very small area, there is a shine, as if there is a cream or light oil. This area is called the T-zone, so my dear, your skin type here is combination skin. However, if you notice that your skin is well moisturized, as if you did not wash with soap, as it is known to dry out the skin, and you feel as if you drank a lot of water and moisturized your face, and nothing happened with what I mentioned, then your skin is normal skin. Well, this was the easiest way to know your skin type. As for the second method, it is without using soap, only after each wash. You will notice what I mentioned previously abundantly on your face all the time. With daily washing, you will notice if your face is dry, oily, mixed, or normal. After learning about the factors for choosing the best skin cleanser, now we will learn about the ideal method to choose based on each skin type. Oily skin, it is preferable that the lotion contain a group of acidic ingredients that work to reduce oil production and reduce harmful bacteria that cause pimples to appear. Oily cleansers that increase the shine of the skin should not be used. Dry to very dry skin, you should choose a cleansing product for oily skin that contains an oil base, as this base provides the skin with more hydration and high shine. It is preferable to choose products that contain skin-soothing products, such as moisturizing acids that contribute to soothing the skin and eliminating the effects of dryness. Mixed face. It is preferable to choose a product that contains a percentage of natural gel, as this gel provides the skin with more balance. Lotion intended for dry skin only or oily skin should not be used. Sensitive skin. It is preferable to choose products intended only for sensitive skin, because it contains natural skin-soothing elements. The consistency of the lotion should be gentle on the skin, so as not to cause her any kind of irritation. Now, my experience with these lotions. We first start with the combination skin lotion, because my skin is combination. I chose this one from Bioderma. It is called Bioderma Sebum Gel. The ingredients of Bioderma lotion for oily skin are well studied. In addition to its herbal and seaweed ingredients, there are the following ingredients. Zinc gluconate, which works to kill harmful bacteria and cleanse the skin of them and germs. Copper sulfate to protect the skin from irritation and inflammation that may occur to it. Mannitol sugar is important in regulating the work and secretion of the sebaceous glands in the skin. Lactic acid, which increases collagen production in the skin and prevents wrinkles. extracts of ginkgo biloba leaves, which increase blood flow to the skin and increase its regeneration and nourishment. Flavonoids are one of the most important compounds that prevent oxidation, which causes skin cell death. At the beginning of use, you will feel the cleanliness and purity of your skin and the lack of oily secretions, with the skin not drying out. After about a month of use, you will notice that the appearance of pimples has decreased. There are types depending on the type of face: Bioderma sebium for oily skin, Bioderma lotion for dry skin, Bioderma atoderm, Bioderma white objective, Bioderma sensibio pink for sensitive skin. It is the best lotion I have. It is really amazing for me. I did not have any problem with it in terms of acne. I did not notice anything. On the contrary, the result is perfect. Effaclar and Lipicor lotion from La Roche-Posay. The lotion purifies and cleanses the skin from excess oils and impurities, thanks to salicylic acid, which helps exfoliate the skin. It also contains zinc, which in turn helps reduce oily secretions and provides deep purification of the skin. La Roche-Posay thermal spring water has soothing properties for the skin. It also contains lipohydroxyacid LHA. It exfoliates the skin without causing skin allergies. Glycerin moisturizes the skin and protects it from dryness and cracks. The lotion purifies and cleanses the skin from excess oils and impurities, reduces the appearance of blackheads, controls skin shine. It contains zinc, which helps reduce oily secretions and purifies the skin. It maintains skin moisture and does not cause dryness. It contains thermal spring water, which is considered a soothing substance for skin irritation and inflammation. It is characterized by being alcohol-free. I used them because my skin became sensitive for a while and they helped me a lot. But I stopped buying them for a while for some reason and replaced them with Bioderma lotion. In addition to using the appropriate skin cleanser, you must also adhere to a routine dedicated to maintaining the freshness and health of the face. We can use cleansers, exfoliators, moisturizers and creams as essential elements in the daily routine to obtain the highest levels of care. Just as some advice I'll give you, my dear, do not mix a group of skin cleansing products at the same time, but rather stick to one suitable type. Make sure to wash your face twice a day, but avoid using hot water. Designate a specific towel to dry your face after using face wash, and do not use a body towel or hands to dry your face. Do not use cleansers that you do not know or know anything about their ingredients, as this could harm your skin and cause pimples. Also, to protect your skin from dryness, wrinkles, and all external factors, you must always moisturize your skin. Do not forget this. Place it by your bed so that you remember it. This is the most important thing, especially with aging, as the skin's natural hydration declines. Well, my rating on my skin was in favor of Bioderma and La Roche-Posay Effaclar 10/10. As for Lipicor, I did not notice the result I wanted. You can share with me your experiences about the best lotion you used, and if anyone has a question, you can ask me in the comments, and I will answer you all. Always be happy and do not forget to follow me and press the like button and a beautiful comment, and this is a big heart for you.